Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Master Sewing Tutorials. So on this tutorial we are going to be stitching a signature front pocket, a front pocket design. So without wasting my time, let's get it done. So right here we have the fabric. The red length is 8 inches, and the actual length is also 7.5 1/4. So what we are gonna do right now is to fold it into two like this. And to measure a half inch. You understand? Let me mark it so that you see what I'm doing. And to measure a half inch and to stitch it to the down part. We are going to stitch it to the very end. You understand? So let's stitch it so that you see the results. So we are stitching it. So we are done stitching it. So just going to cut the thread. Cut the thread from it so that we get what we want. So guys, this is what we have stitched so far. So we are going to open it and to make it look like this. So we are going to take it into the iron table and to iron it to make it look like this. So we are ironing it. We are going to iron it. So guys, after ironing it, this is exactly how it's looking. This is exactly how it's looking. So what we are going to do now is to turn it like this and to fold a half inches like this and to fold another 1 inch, understand, or almost 1 inch, and to iron it straight. So let's do it and come and show you. So guys, after ironing this part, this is exactly how this one too is going to looking. So we are going to stitch it from here to this part, you understand. So let's stitch it right now. Let's get it done right now. So we are cutting the thread. We are cutting the thread from it. So this is what we have stitched. So guys, this is exactly how it's looking right now. What we are gonna do is to to fold this part inside and to iron it, you understand. And also we're going to be folding this part inside. We are going to use a measurement. We are going to fold the down part too inside like this. So after doing it, we want the width to be 5 inches and the length to be 5 1/4 or 5 1/2. So let's go and iron it and come and show you. So we are going to iron. So guys, after ironing it, this is exactly how it's going to be looking. I told you we're going to fold this part inside, you understand, and to fold this part also inside, and to fold the down part inside like this, you understand. So if we do it, this is exactly how it's going to be looking. Let me show you the front. This is exactly how the pocket is going to be looking. So when you put it on the fabric like this, the shirt, where you are going to stitch it, this is exactly how you're going to stitch it. You are going to stitch it from this side all through this side and to this top side. So this is exactly how to stitch this front pocket design. So if you like it, please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification. See you in the next video.